So the theories that I choose that go along with my field placement is systems theory, and that is behavior that is influenced by a variety of factors that work together as a system. So for the children and children and youth, that means their systems as far as their parents, their friends, community, home environment. These are all things that influence how a person behaves and how a person acts. And as we deal with children in foster care system and in child welfare, we try to understand the behaviors of children as they come into placement and how we can help them. Psychodynamic theory is another theory that relates to my field placement that was spoken about, seeks to understand the reasons why people behave the way that they do, and behaviors that are usually driven by the id, the ego, and the superego, which is framed out by Freud. And we use those things to try to understand the behaviors when we get these kids into placement to better help them and to get them treatment for any kind of trauma or anything that they've experienced before coming into care. One of the things that we can do as social workers to inform people of special needs, dementia patients and IDD patients, is to promote education, to learn more about this population and what their needs are so that we can be able to help them. And another thing that we can also do is to advocate for this group of people, is to basically get involved and see what their needs are and uh, how we can assist them as they go through life, in a different form and a different stage of what they're used to.